Okay guys, back with another video. Today I will be making some pancakes, blueberry pancakes. So here's everything that I'm going to need. That's 2 tablespoons of butter, about a handful of blueberries, as much as blueberries or less as you like. We have 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of salt. We have 2 eggs. You can put a little bit of vanilla extract. We're going to put a tablespoon sugar. We have a 1.5 cups of flour, self-rising flour, and 1 cup of butter. And then I have extra butter is what I'm going to cook my pancakes in. So let's get started. Okay guys, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add in my 1.5 cup of flour. I'm making a mess already. Then I'm going to add in my 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of salt. And then I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients very well. Now sometimes I just like breakfast food for dinner. So tonight I will be having pancakes. What I'm going to do, I'm going to have half regular pancakes and the other half I'm going to have blueberry pancakes. So that's what I'm about to do. Then in here I have my 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to crack both eggs and put it in here and mix that well together. Alright, we're going to mix that together. We're going to put in maybe about a tablespoon of vanilla extract, just as much as, or as less as you like to put in there. You're going to beat that together. Make sure it's well beat together. Let's set that aside, and then we're going to add in our 3 tablespoons of sugar into the dry ingredients. 3 tablespoons of sugar. Let me move this out of the way so you can see what I'm doing. I'm putting 3 tablespoons of sugar. That's 2. And that's 3. Alright. I'm going to stir this together well. Okay, and then what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and add in our melted butter, vanilla extract, and our 2 eggs into the dry ingredients. So give that a stir. And then we're going to gradually go ahead and add in our 1 cup of milk. Go ahead and add the rest of it. I'm going to go ahead and stir all that together. I'll be back once I get it well mixed together. Okay guys, I have my pancake mix all mixed well together. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my butter and I'm going to put it into the hot pan. I like cooking my pancakes in butter versus vegetable oil because it gives us such a, you know, nice buttery taste. I guess I can take some of it out. I put a little bit too much. So I want to take this one out and I'm going to use it. Put it right back on here because I'm going to use it. Turn this stove down a little bit. So what I'm going to do, like I said, I'm going to make some just regular pancakes. And here's the batter. And I'm going to put some blueberries in it. So let's get started. I'm dropping some in. Okay, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my blueberries and I'm going to drop them on some of them, on one of them. Just to show you guys what I'm doing. I'm just dropping them on top of the pancake mix. That's what I'm doing. If you like just blueberry, all your pancakes to be blueberry, just dump this into the mix. And then you don't have to worry about, you know, doing this part. You can just dump it right into the mix. But I just want all mine to be blueberry. So I will be back to do a taste test. Okay guys, the pancakes are done. Here they are. You see the blueberry pancakes. You can see the blueberry right there. This is the regular pancake. So I'm not going to eat all this, but we're going to do a taste test. I'm putting my syrup on top of my pancakes. Alright, there it is. And let's taste the blueberry first. Okay. Better gonna give the blueberry. You see the blueberries in there? Hope the lighting is horrible in here. The sun is changing outside, so that's why it's gotten dark. But this is the blueberry. And we're gonna let me see if I can come back and fix the lighting. Okay guys, I'm back. I changed my seating. So here's the pancakes with the blueberries. Let's give it a try. These pancakes are good. Now let's try the regular old pancake with nothing in it. That is really, really good. And this is the first time I tried, put some more syrup, vanilla extract in my pancakes. But this is really good. But anyway, guys, like I always say, use what you got until you get what you need. I'll talk to you guys later. See you in the next video.